Hi everyone, welcome back to my Heavenly Babies. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Super excited to be doing this. I'm going to unbox a toaster. No, I'm just kidding. No, I've got some vintage babies here. I actually bought them from Michelle from Blessing Reborn Dolls. She was doing a like an auction type thing on her Facebook page. And yeah, I got these dolls. I bought them from her. So I'm excited to share them with you guys. I want to show you guys what I got. I took all the labels and everything off. So yeah, let's get into this. And I'll try to remember. I'm going to stick it up on the screen. That's what I'll do. I'll stick it up on the screen, what year and what doll it is. So first off, we got this amazing Italian girl. I'm super excited about this because my husband is Italian. And look at her, you guys. Now, she's a little messed up, her eye. There we go. Her eye's messed up, but the eyes do open and close. But look at how beautiful she is, you guys. And I believe, like I said, I'm going to put up the dates. I don't want to say a date if I'm not right on it. But I do believe this was from the 70s. But she has a record player in her that we're going to try to get working. It wasn't working, but she sings or talks in Italian. So the dolls back then did either or, and I got to see both. She sent me a video of both of the dolls, not this one, just of this doll singing and the talking one. So my husband and I are going to try to get this working. I hope we can, because it does have like a little record player in the back. And it looks like she did try the batteries. It just looks like maybe you need to solder something on there because, you know, it's not connecting right. But I hope I get it working. But look at how beautiful she is. Michelle was saying she kind of looks like a Chucky doll, like a version of, a girl version of Chucky. And she kind of does. But we're going to keep her just the way she is. And like I said, I believe it is from the 70s. And I would have put up on the screen what doll this is. But isn't she beautiful? Look at that beautiful red hair. So pretty. Gosh, she's in good condition from the 1970s. That's amazing. Amazing. Look at those beautiful eyes. She is gorgeous. All right, so there's the first one. Then we got the next one. She bagged them really nice. She put them in a plastic bag and then wrapped this around them too, the bubble wrap. All right, now these ones are cousins. These two are cousins, and they've got the growing hair. And these I know are from the 1970s. You can tell by looking at their outfits. But they're cousins, and their hair grows. So you see it long there, the hair. And then I don't remember what you do. Oh, the things in the back. But I've already seen it work, and the hair goes, you can see it going up there. So you just wind it, and the hair goes up. And I'll put up on the screen again the name and the year for this one. But there's this one, so pretty. She's got the growing hair, and then I think you just pull it out. Yep, you just pull the hair back out. So she's got the growing hair, so pretty. And then her cousin, and I love the outfit. Look at how vintage that is. Look at the little bloomers or the little panties underneath that. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love the check on it. Love the little flower. So pretty. She really is pretty. And her eyes open and close. So they're working. So pretty. And you can see that that's totally the 70s. And then her cousin, and this one's supposed to represent an older version. I would say that's younger. This is the older one. And here's this one. Look at, oh my gosh, how pretty. And she's got the hair that grows too. Look at that dress. So pretty. And she's got the little orange bloomers underneath. But look at that. Isn't she pretty? Look at the white lipstick from that time. The women had the lipstick, like that. The white lipstick. And then her hair does go really short. And then I believe you pull it out. I don't want to break it, but you pull it out and it grows. I don't know if it goes opposite if you push a button and it does it. I'll have to ask her. Oh, the belly button, I think, to let it go out. But yeah, we're not going to mess with that too much and break it. But look at that. Isn't she pretty? So these two are considered cousins. And would have had their name up, and they're from the 1970s. I would have put the year up there. But aren't they pretty? Oh my gosh, I love them. I was so glad that night that I got to go on. She's a lot taller. Got to go on, while she was doing that live. I was so happy to be able to be on there. Then there's one more here, and this one I just love so much too. And this one I believe is 1980s. Oh wow, she is pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Look at that hair. The hair is what sold me on this one. I love the hair, and I loved the 80s. I really did. So look at how beautiful she is. She's got like tan skin. She's so pretty and such pretty hair. A lot of hair on this doll. So beautiful. I'm going to be setting her up with that one doll that I showed you guys when I did a clothes haul, and I had gotten one of the vintage dolls at a Goodwill. But yeah, look at her. Isn't she pretty? Again, I would have put up the year and who this is, because I don't remember the names of them. But there we go. If you guys know, you can, you know, put it up there too in the comments or whatever, but it would have been up on the screen there for you guys if you remember these dolls. But it's so pretty. She's got really beautiful, they're like hazel color eyes, I think, kind of a brown color. So pretty. Yeah, she's beautiful. I don't think she closes her eyes. Oh yeah, she does too. She's a sleeping one too. Wow, it works. Amazing. So let me stick them all up here. I'll take pictures too for you guys. But we'll get all these. And the one, like I said, was an Italian baby, and my husband is Italian, so I really wanted the Italian one as well. But here they all are, and I will have photos up close of them. But yeah, aren't they beautiful, you guys? Love the vintage babies. I mean, they made such nice things back then, you know, they really did. That's why things probably held up so long, but I'm trying to let you guys see all of them, their faces. But yeah, they're beautiful. So thank you so much, Michelle, for doing that auction, and thank you for these babies. Very beautiful. I'm going to have to message you right now to find out all the years and everything so I can put it up on the screen and do the editing. But yeah, so cool. All right, you guys, I hope you guys are staying safe, happy, and healthy, and as always, leaning on the Lord. Everybody take care, and God bless.